You're at the auto shop. Your manual says 5W30, but all they've got is 10W30. Can you use it? The short answer? Sometimes, but you need to understand what's changing. Both oils behave the same when hot. That 30 refers to viscosity at engine operating temperature. But the first number? That's about how the oil flows when cold. And that W doesn't stand for watt, it means winter. A 5W oil flows better in cold temps than 10W, making startups easier and reducing engine wear. If you're in a warm climate, switching between them might not be a big deal. But in colder areas, that lower W rating matters a lot. Always check your owner's manual. Some engines are designed to handle a range of oil grades. Others, they demand specific specs to protect components and keep performance sharp. So can you swap to a close oil grade like 10W30? Maybe, if the temperature range and your engine's design allow it. But when in doubt, stick to what your manual says. Stay sharp under the hood and choose wisely.